guys, today we are modifying the Honda Civic even further. It's gonna be totally wacky and insane. We are installing a horn. A fancy horn in the Civic. It's one of those ones you see at O'Reilly's and you're like, I want that, but why would I need it? It's got like animal sounds, songs, sirens, which are totally illegal, and a PA. It's gonna be sick.
You drive like a cunt.
Yeah, here it is. Now, Noah.
Yes.
There's a couple things I really like about this. The features are nothing to sneeze at, but can you guess exactly how many sounds it advertises on the box? Think of the funniest number you can think of.
69.
That is exactly how many sounds this thing advertises.
69 different sounds.
Yep. Unboxing time.
Oh shit.
I think that was a piece of packaging.
I hope so.
We got our PA speaker. It's got some wires. I have yet to figure out where those need to go. And it's got a mount. Chances are I will try and mount it to my valve cover. That's a really good place for it. We got our box. This we mount inside. We've got some sounds there. We got the on and off. We got a bunch of different rooster dogs. And we got some sirens. And we got a little switch over here. It's like the mic, the illegal part, or the aminals. Got our little microphone. It actually looks like a stage mic, which is funny. I thought it would be like a trucker mic, like you do this. No, this is like an iPhone dollar store accessory. Some adhesive, some instructions. And it's not from eBay, so these might actually be helpful. All right, so based on the really short length of the power and ground wires for the entire system, I'm thinking we're gonna run this B word to our cigarette lighter, which means we have to take the center console out. Yes, dude, it's my favorite fucking pastime. Then we gotta run this B word into the engine bay, so we might actually use the grommet we made for our subwoofer. This is really freaking short too. What the heck? What's up, guys? I haven't shown this part of the coffee collection to the people on this channel yet.
Yummy.
Fuck you. Here's our little cigarette lighter, little baby boy. We got our ground and our positive. I'm gonna take this little electrical tape off. Oh, by the way, guys, disconnect your battery before you do anything like this. I already did it off camera because you guys have had enough battery disconnection time, but don't forget, battery disconnection time. These wires are so short. They can't reach anything from the cigarette lighter that we hooked them to. So I'm gonna take some of this speaker wire from the sub we just installed. I'm gonna use it to extend the range of the box to the power source, which is the cigarette lighter. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Merci vous plaît. Suck my dink. It's done. See, professional. They even left the fuse on the shortest part of the wire so that if I ever need to replace it, it's right there on my dashboard. Looks so good, oh my God. If you buy this kit, prepare to have some extra wire on hand, because holy crap, is it not long enough to reach literally anything. Now we gotta take this inky dinky little wire and run it all the way into the front of the car, like the engine bay. So I found a spot. I scooted my battery over and I can put it right there behind the headlight. Sheesh. I don't even have to screw anything in. You know that's the way I love to do shit. It's a perfect fit. Hold on. Yes, dude, math for the win. It's time for the moment of truth. Yeah, baby. There it is. It's pretty loud. Hold on. I am under the water. Please help me.
Hey guys, it's Sock here. Welcome back to How Does It Sound? Hello, I'm under the water.
Well, I gotta be careful if I ever put it to the siren one. Because if I get it like stuck there or something, this is gonna be this fucking health hazard of a Civic driving down the road.
All right, we're outside and we're testing how it sounds. He's gonna drive off. Oh shit, there we go. That's some good shit.
All right, so you guys all know that this car is super fast, right? Super fast. You know what else is super fast? Mod Pizza. It's their fucking slogan. So, you know I had to do it to them. Nice and clean on the outside. Yeah, just like that, dude. Boom. Not even that crooked. Don't forget that you need extra wire if you're gonna install this, and if you really want to get fancy with it, you could probably hook up like a power switch to just do the sound once or something like that. I'm not gonna do that because I'm fine going down the highway just making duck noises. Honestly, it's fine with me. I think the PA is actually my favorite part. We'll see you guys next time, and here's an outro.
Make sure to smash that like button and absolutely demolish the subscribe button and just absolutely uppercut that bell for notifications.
Smashing.